Hey guys, welcome to the channel। आज हम सीखने वाले हैं और भी कुछ इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। सो लेट्स गो। आपसे बात करके अच्छा लगा। It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you. आपने जवाब नहीं दिया। You did not reply. You did not reply. कहना आसान है। It is easy to say. It is easy to say. उसे घर पर होना चाहिए। He should be at home. He should be at home. ये कब तक चलेगा? How long will it go on? How long will it go on? क्या आपके पास कुछ है? Do you have something? Do you have something? क्या आपको यकीन है? Are you sure? Are you sure? आपका काम कैसा चल रहा है? How about your work? How about your work? मैंने तुम्हें अपने कॉलेज में देखा है। I have seen you in my college. I have seen you in my college. मैं अपना गृह कार्य कर रहा हूँ। I am doing my homework. I am doing my homework. मैं ऑफिस से आ रहा हूँ। I am coming from the office. I am coming from the office. कुछ खास नहीं, हमेशा की तरह। Nothing special as usual. Nothing special as usual. ठंडा पानी मत पियो। Don't drink cold water. Don't drink cold water. मुझे आपसे नफरत है। I hate you. I hate you. नहीं, बस ऐसे ही। No, just like that. No, just like that. बिल्कुल चिंता मत करो। Don't worry at all. Don't worry at all. मुझे जाना है। I have to go. I have to go. मुझे नहीं पता। I don't know. I don't know. मुझे घर छोड़ दो। Drop me home. Drop me home. मेरे साथ चलो। Come with me. Come with me. Thank you for listening to the video. Do subscribe, like और share भी करना मत भूलना।